Whether you're looking to make a delicious roast or succulent chicken, or just healthier fried foods, you'll always get great results with the TODD English ProSmart Grill, which offers many advanced smart features from hardware to software. This how-to video is meant to help beyond these printed materials and labels to the manual, quick start guide, and recipe book with everything you need to get the most out of your new TODD English ProSmart Grill. When setting up, be careful to remove all plastic wrapping and tape. Now, make sure that you're not missing any parts. Ready? Let's get started. When you turn on the TODD English ProSmart Grill, you'll see the default mode, Air Fry, 1800 watts, Auto Preheat, with 350-degree cooking temperature. Press Temp Time button, 15-minute cooking time displayed. Turn the dial to select your cooking time. You can choose any cooking time starting at 1 minute all the way up to 99 hours and 59 minutes. Press Temp/Time again and now the dial can adjust the cooking temperature. You can choose any temperature between 50 degrees and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can change the oven display to Celsius by pressing and holding temp. Preheating can make a huge difference in the results, especially if you're baking, but using it is up to you. When you start cooking, the word preheat will flash on the panel. Once the oven is preheated, you'll hear 2 beeps and see ready on the panel. You'll have 10 seconds to put in the food. Then press start pause or let the 10 seconds run out and cooking will begin. Or if you don't have time for preheat right now, just press preheat, then it will go into cooking. But if you want to shut off the auto preheat, press preheat and menu at the same time. The unit beep twice confirming the preheat is turned off, the preheat light is deactivated. If you want to turn the auto preheat back on, just press the menu and preheat again, now auto preheat is activated. Of course, the preheat cycle is always a great time to prep your ingredients. If you want to see the progress of your food, simply press the light icon for a better look inside the oven. The temperature probe is a powerful feature of the TODD English ProSmart Grill as it gives you perfect results. To operate the probe, plug it into the jack first and press the probe. 75 is the current temperature of the probe. Press and hold the probe button. 165 is the default target temperature. You can adjust the target temperature. For example, I like my steak at 125. And let's put the probe inside the unit for demonstration purposes. Now the probe is reading the temperature inside of the unit. We heat 125 and it automatically finishes the cooking by turning off. Whether you're grilling or combo cooking, make sure you plug the PowerPort grill in before cooking. If you try to grill without the PowerPort grill, the unit will beep twice and the display will show the word grill and the grill icon will flash. Just plug in your PowerPort grill to continue and set your desired temperature and time. The default temperature is 450 degrees but can be adjusted between 50 and 500 degrees. Be aware that when grilling at 500 degrees, the maximum cooking time is capped at 30 minutes. With the TODD English ProSmart Grill combo, you also have full control over the power levels of the top and bottom. Just press combo, and you'll see the default heat distribution of the top 30% and bottom 70%. You can adjust to 100% top or 100% bottom. Well, 100% top is the same as air fry, a 100% bottom is the same as the grill. Either way, you have full control over the top and bottom heat as well as the temperature and time. Even pizza, store-bought or handmade, will come out perfect by controlling the top and bottom heaters with delicious gooey cheese and crispy crust every time.
NuWave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.